Ella.
And I'm Emmy.
My name is Dennis.
And we are Lindsay. And today we're gonna walk you through some Ikea furniture and what their names actually mean. Fjädrar.
Fjädrar.
Okay.
So fjädrar means feathers.
Yes.
Judging by the name, I would guess that it's probably a pillow or something
Yeah,
like that.
I was thinking pillow or like a blanket or something like that.
Duvet or something. Okay.
Hey! Okay. Okay.
I feel like I recognize that one from back home. So.
Okay, I did.
Okay.
But that was it.
So 1 of 1.
Yes. Dvala.
Dvala.
Is dvala a bird?
No, that's a svala.
Oh, okay.
Is that what animals do? Like when they have there are some animals sleeping during the winter. I think they go into dvala.
Yeah, it's basically chilling.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe something in the bedroom as well?
I would say
Yeah.
it's a bed, probably.
Yeah.
Is it a bed?
Some kind of
Okay.
bed.
Bed. Okay.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Cool bedroom.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Okay,
Next
so we were
one.
kind of right.
Yeah,
Okay.
we were.
We're on a roll.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's go.
All right. Oh,
Strapats.
strapats. Oh, I don't know that word in English.
Oh,
I don't know that word in
very
English.
hard to translate.
Strapats.
I think you
I
make a
don't know.
strapats. It's like you make a scene, right? Isn't it?
I've
I
heard
don't
this.
know.
I've heard this
But what
word
kind of
so many
furniture is it
times.
then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Strapats is you go on a strapats. It's like a not a journey, but
Okay.
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 That was why I was thinking distance.
Okay.
Oh.
That's what I meant. Like you use it as an expression, right?
So we're learning Swedish and English.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Wow. Thanks, guys.
This could be anything.
Could be anything.
I'm thinking like rope ladder or something.
Do they have that?
I don't know.
I don't think it's in the kitchen, and I don't think it's in the bedroom. I just think it's like regular furniture.
Yeah, something
Or a
for
TV bed, sure.
something for
Okay.
kids maybe to play with.
Could be.
don't
Okay.
Let's see.
What?
I have that one.
You have the strapats.
I have
Okay.
the strapats. Okay.
Okay, I would never guess that.
Okay.
Garbage bin. Okay.
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 Nice.
Poäng. Poäng is it can be like points. Like if
Like
you
what's-
score points,
Yeah.
it can be you make a point.
Yeah, it's the same meaning as in English.
Yeah.
What's the point?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's like some type of board.
Like a
Where you
clipboard or something?
set up letters and stuff.
I'm gonna go chair then.
Okay.
Okay.
Just for fun.
Let's see.
Oh,
Okay. That's a very classic
Yeah.
IKEA chair.
Very classic.
Yeah.
You will see that in every home in
Yeah.
Sweden.
I think I had like the mini children's version of that.
we
at
do.
home. A little blue one. Yeah. When I was little.
So funny.
Okay.
Okay. Next one.
Okay. Envis.
Envis.
Stubborn.
Stubborn. That
I
could
feel like it's something like iron. Like,
Yeah.
You know?
probably like an iron shelf or something.
I'm going for some type of tool.
Okay, I think it's a shelf.
No, I'm thinking it's something for the kitchen,
Oh. Okay.
but I don't know.
Okay,
what.
let's
Okay. Is that?
Was it?
see. What is that? Is it a spatula?
It's a knife. Yeah, spatula.
Spatula.
Okay.
I think,
Yeah.
okay.
So kitchen.
Kitchen. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, well, I would never guess.
Yeah.
Hemnes. This is not a word, I think.
Hem. It probably is. We don't know.
Hemnes or hemnes?
Yes. And I've never seen this word before in Swedish.
In the IKEA index,
Okay.
it's listed as a town in Norway.
Aha. Okay.
Explains it.
have different cities.
Okay. So
Okay, so this is-
hemnes.
Hemnes
Should
is
be.
a city in Norway.
Okay.
And
Okay.
actually, we are half Norwegian, so
Yeah.
we should have known that.
Should have known. Sorry.
Yeah.
It might be like a throw blanket or something.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
if it's
With
a
like pattern, like Norwegian pattern.
yeah, because if it's
True.
a town in Norway, it should
True.
have something to do with like something knitted or
Yeah.
I'm thinking slippers or something like that.
Could be.
Okay.
Okay.
Of course.
Bed. Well,
There we go.
it looks pretty Norwegian to me though.
Yep. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Stud. Yeah. That's like
Support.
Support.
yeah, support, but not like moral support. Yeah, it can be.
Support.
I think that's like a shelf or something.
Shelf
Something
or
where you can
like
put
a-
stuff on.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
it
I'm
could
thinking.
be like bedside table or something.
It could be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
A shelf?
This doesn't make sense.
Doesn't make any sense. What?
Okay.
Okay.
Is it
Okay.
like the drawer or the divider?
I think it's the divider.
I have that. So,
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah,
have
you have that one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you can't tell by now, we shop a lot.
Yes, and we don't look
Ikea.
at the names.
Yeah.
Apparently. Vernuft.
Vernuft,
Oh, that's
Sense, like common
Yeah,
sense.
common sense. Yep.
I feel like this is a lamp. I'm getting lamp vibes.
I'm thinking something
Some kind of
smart thing. It could be like a, you know, they
Light
have
bulb?
like, yeah,
Whiteboard?
the IKEA home lamp system.
yeah. Let's go with
Lamp.
from the lamp
yeah.
section.
Okay,
Okay.
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 What?
We have those.
Yeah, we have those too. Oh yeah.
So
Like most Swedish homes
Cutlery.
has a lot of things from IKEA.
Yes.
And you see,
I would say probably
does.
all Swedish homes
yeah,
has at least one item from IKEA.
yes, for sure.
Yeah.
vilse.
We,
This is lost.
Yeah, you're lost.
Lost.
So you go vilse in the woods.
Vilse. Oh, this could be.
This could be like what do you call it? Ficklampa.
Flashlight.
Ficklampa. Flashlight. Yeah.
It could be a
Oh, that's
flashlight.
smart.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Could be something for the in the outside section
Yeah.
where they have
Yes.
like greens and stuff. Could also be one of those rugs for kids where they play and they have like.
Yeah.
The car mat.
Yeah.
Okay.
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 Okay, something outdoorsy.
It's probably something completely with that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see.
What?
A vase?
Yes, a vase.
I think we have as well. That's so fun. We're learning so many new things.
We are.
Last one.
Let's go.
Ekorre.
Squirrel.
This is a squirrel or a chipmunk.
Okay, it would make most sense if it was like a stuffed animal. That's a squirrel. But it's probably not.
It's probably not.
I think it's a chair, but more of a lounge chair.
Armchair?
I
Yeah.
don't know why, but
I'm thinking maybe because ek from ekorre. Ek is
oak.
oak.
Tree.
Oh,
Oak tree. So it could be something.
like a shelf?
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Bookshelf.
Shelf. Let's see what's.
That's
What?
a moose.
Makes no sense.
No sense, bro.
Okay.
Okay.
Well,
so
we tried.
if you want to buy ekorre, that's it.
Here it is.
Yeah.
Squirrel moose.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but the
Chair.
real word for moose in Swedish is älg. So
That's an Annie.
IKEA changed this. Yeah. But like
Yeah.
Swedish squirrels aren't red, no. So.
No, they're kind of brown. But, well.
Well, this was so much fun, and we got to learn a lot of new Swedish and
Yeah.
English words today. And thank you so much for watching. We are Lindy, and hope to see you guys soon again.
Hey, it's Jace from the River Afternoon Show. Make sure you like and subscribe to the River Now video right now so you can get... Guys, am I in frame? I feel like I'm not... I don't know if I'm in frame or not. Can I just...